Sneezing is something we all do, but do you know why it happens? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants like dust, pollen, or germs. When something tickles your nasal lining, it sends a signal to your brain. The brain tells your body to take a big breath, close your throat, and boom! Out goes the sneeze at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. Sneezing helps protect you, but remember, sneeze into your elbow to stop spreading germs. What's the weirdest thing that ever made you sneeze? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more fun body facts.